This is my review for the Google Chrome extension Duelist. With this Chrome extension, it focuses on splitting your screen without having the need for two monitors. So in a school setting, I think this would be perfect for students when they're researching or they just need two screens in general to be doing their work, because I know a lot of times they flip between tabs and that gets kind of crazy when they're doing that. So this monitor service here, if you go to your Chrome extension, and you can choose how you want your layout to be. You go vertical, you can go horizontal. One I really like is having a bigger and a smaller screen. So I could have this as my main focus. So say I was like typing and researching something. That's Calvin Coolidge. I was doing this for a class not that long ago. And I needed the research here. I can have it for both screens on my one monitor. I think this is really good too, because I don't think students necessarily know how to like split their screen sometimes, and they're struggling to make it all fit. So here the Chrome extension does it for you. So I think this would be really beneficial for all grade levels. Even for myself, I could see myself using this too if I need different types of screens to view.